think? Yeah, you see it. Guess who showed up for this ride today? I know. It's going to be really muddy here today, so I got some stuff that I used to use when she used to race. Would spray on the race car. Mud release agent. I'm gonna spray all over them. Hopefully when we hose them off this week, or we wash them when we get back, the mud will come off a little easier. So we'll just completely soak them. Well, I don't want to run on my seat, but yeah, I'll put if I still got the bottle of this stuff at home, I'll put a picture of it, what it is. Help keep the mud, or keeps the mud from sticking so bad. Well, folks, here we are. We're doing a ride in Kansas today. Believe it or not.
Are you there?
And got these goofy bastards over there. Anyway, we got our communicators communicating. I think. All of a sudden it went silence.
You should be there.
I'm here.
No, Mark's. Did you hit the button?
Grizzly?
Oh, he hit the button.
And his daughter decided to come out and do a ride with us today, so.
Hey, turn the sumbitch down.
That's cool.
Turn the knob.
I'm gonna turn your knob.
You fucking, oh my god. This
Who
is
wanted this? Who wanted
this is this. I don't.
Hanging loose.
Are you hanging loose?
You walk around.
Where the hell are we going?
There we go. Oh, whoa, whoa. All right, hang on, man. Let me get my shit running. All right, well, we got Frankie. We got all of our guys hooked up. Let you know that we done the chain link setup, like you was saying, like we were talking about on your video. So we're linked. We're linked in a chain. We have A, B, C, and D. A, B, C. She's not in. She's not in on the deal. Jimmy, we're gonna ride it off. Where's Lone Wolf?
You can't leave her at the back to back.
This ride park is out here.
Right.
Yeah, this is gonna be screwed up. All these voices, but this ride park basically runs along the shoreline of Milford Lake.
I'm just gonna come do a little circle.
It looks like it's still frozen.
See how frozen it is?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
This won't take long.
Yeah, well, true.
You gotta go up here by the bathroom to get in.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to play in the water. So we won't do that no more.
So I can come up this way?
Yeah, go up by that path.
What is this?
Just right along the fence.
I don't know what that is.
Like an old dock or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The dock. Water's really down.
The water's really down, yeah.
Yeah.
You can see it over there, way down. Can we get in over here, or we gotta go up there?
You need to go up here.
Okay, yeah, they got a rocks in over here.
Yeah. I mean, you can get around there, but you're just gonna run about the lake.
All right, we'll run up here then. Woo. Yeah, they only allow quads and dirt
50
bikes.
inches.
50 inches. You got it, mama.
Don't matter.
Yeah, go left and then we'll make a loop. Head on. Woo. Be careful on some of these suckers. I think some of them are can be pretty bad.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, I don't know what to do. No. No, I'm not doing it. That big drop off right in front of me?
Oh, hell no. You better
Clean it up.
back up and run it over there. Watch that big old rock. You can come down over here.
Where Hearn's
Oh,
at?
where?
Oh, man.
I've
This,
never-
watch this stick right here. That sucker get you. I'm going to go down here and get a view of the lake.
Now, you remember, Grizzly, we're not going by first name basis.
Yeah, it's nicknames.
Is that going anywhere?
I don't
Well, I
know.
don't think it is. It's nice, pretty views.
Yeah, we're going to have to come back up out of here. This ain't going to go anywhere. I just want to come down to the water.
No, that looks a little sketchy over there. Yeah. I got it.
You're fine. You got it. You got it.
Ooh, that
Well,
looks a
since
little
we're in Kansas, we can give everybody new nicknames.
Now that looks a little.
I'm not being a red leg.
No. Let's see. Who's going to be the Wicked Witch and who's going to be Dorothy? Oh. Oh, shit. We know who the Scarecrow is.
Who's that?
That's Herm.
Oh, Herm.
Herm Scarecrow. What's the Scarecrow need? He didn't have no brain. He was needing brains.
And the lion needs courage.
And Grizzly, he's a tin man.
Yeah, he needs a
I need
heart.
a heart.
And he's a heart.
Yeah.
I'm the lion. I need courage. I don't have no courage.
Yeah,
she,
right.
she ain't hear none of this shit. Where are you at?
I'm up here. I gotta go straight.
Getting old.
Yeah, she's getting stretched out. Which way did you go?
I went left.
All right.
To the left.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to keep going left or not. I'm gonna go left. Stay to the left. Kind of get narrow, isn't it?
Oh yeah. It's real narrow. Let me come down there and
Maybe we
see.
should do what Grizzly did. I think I'm gonna go that way.
I'm gonna try to sneak under here. Here you go.
Okay.
It won't turn in there. Hang on a
He's
minute.
over here spinning out like I am.
I don't have no tires.
Come on, Eric.
All right, come on.
I can't
Do it. Do donuts. Come on.
Hang on a minute. I ain't even got over there yet.
You got front brake.
I can do a donut. I can't do a donut.
Hey, Cam. There you go.
All right, which hill are we gonna run? Whoa! You shut her down.
Get donuts.
Wow.
That's what me and Eric were doing, donuts.
Oh yeah.
The rock out there.
It's slick.
Yeah.
Damn, this big old branch. Did you have to deal with this? Oh gosh.
All right, I'm gonna take a break.
Oh gosh.
What are you doing?
That's laying like that. I don't know if it's been.
All right, I'm gonna shut the camera off. I don't want to listen to this stuff.
Ooh, he's throwing up some mud on me. Oh, there goes the daughter doing some donuts. Oh shit, she needs to be careful. All right.
I found some rocks. Let's poke a tire. Hey.
Whoa, shit! This is sloppy in here. Yep, this is muddy. What'd you say? All right, we're getting disconnected from the boys. It should reconnect if we get close, though. Oh man!
Yeah.
Yeah, they're back. Or we're close again.
Well, Eric stopped up here. We're letting somebody go by.
Yeah, there's some people going by.
Which way did you guys go at the intersection? Straight?
I wanted to go that way, but what should I do?
Yeah, there you are.
Go that way?
Holy crap!
This way or that way?
I don't know.
He's moving along pretty good.
Okay, go that way.
I think that.
You there?
Do we need to back up or something, or they're gonna go the
No,
other
stay
way?
right there.
It slides around a little better, like right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it's sloppy.
Oh yeah.
It's like the deep water days.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so muddy. Better swipe my lens.
Hey.
Well, I'm gonna break in my new boots, that's for sure.
Yeah, you getting them sloppy.
Increase your speed, it helps.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Damn, the evergreen.
Oh man.
Is that the second person we've come across?
I don't know.
Same one.
Oh.
Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh my god. Just get on down up in
Slow
there.
up for us so we can get you guys acting foolish.
Yeah, I've already did that.
We need to get you a GoPro.
That's some throwing mud things, ain't they?
God.
I got crossways right there where it's at.
I can barely make it. Jesus.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Oh man, look at that.
Watch out for that piece in front of you. Don't run over that. I'm gonna let her go. Oh shit! She's just flying. It's just flopping all over the place. She's riding sideways.
Oh
I'm
jeez.
staying on the top.
This is not our deal.
You better be in the four-wheel drive.
Oh god. Holy shit.
Yeah.
She's talking about her bike, right?
Yes. It don't have very much fenders, but whatever, it don't
Oh,
really
man.
matter.
You got a job to do.
What do you mean, me? You... There's the lake again. Where'd they go? Where are you at?
Wait.
I'm right on you.
Alright.
Underneath the big tree yet?
Oh, shit. Oh, watch this. Be careful here. Don't fall in.
Yeah, you gotta ride that ridge.
Ride this ridge.
As good as I can.
Well, you ain't tumped it over yet. I guess you're doing all right.
Trying to concentrate.
Oh, man.
I got it.
Been down here, Eric? I can't remember. Oh, it seems like it.
This has been a long...
No, I mean today.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
You back there?
Yeah,
I think
stuff's
we
just
did.
popping all over the damn place.
I know.
Here.
This is nice. Does the trail open up?
Oh well. Well, you get when I'm gonna leave. No, we ain't been up here yet.
Which right?
This place coming up to...
You see him?
Oh,
Right here? Is that where we need to go?
I guess. I don't know.
just stay on that biggest trail you can get on.
Alright, let's go this way. See if this is it. Alright, I'm gonna go up through here. Let's see if they're up this way. Whoa, this is rough. You making it?
Yeah, coming.
Kind of all off camber big time. Like fine sand piles or something. What the heck? Go straight through there. I don't believe we can run up that V. I'm going to be high centered here, but it went.
Can we go straight?
Yeah, I don't care. Just come on through it however you want. Okay, we're going to buzz on the other side of the parking lot now. Run down that shoreline and go up into those woods.
Those mud holes.
Yeah, it's just muddy everywhere. Oh.
That's their old nickname. Back in the day. Who'd you say used to call you that?
You're not on? Hang on a minute, let me.